thing's gonna fall over when he pushes. Did you?
I swear he's a dumbass. I tell him how to do things and he does not work safe. The worst thing is I can't get out of here.
Always on deathbed.
What I tell you? Take it off. This freaking thing is powered by a 2x4.
Yo, how much did you pay for everything? The whole expense?
$420.
So today is Monday. It's currently at like 7:30, and I have to release a vlog tomorrow, just so that my consistency is still on. And I'm just gonna do a quick little vlog session and hopefully clear up some of the, I guess, rumors or some of the things that have been going on in the air, and maybe like explain a few things. So let's start off with the quarter panel on the car. Rubem actually did replace the quarter already. Let me show you guys. It was dented right here, and this was all caved in. But Rubem pretty much pulled this out, welded a new area here, re-welded this whole area, as well as a part of the frame underneath the car. So yeah, that's pretty much what we've done to the car so far as it sits. Pretty much what's left to do is just weld in a few spots on the quarter panel, applying Bondo on it, and painting the car, which I'm gonna go a new color, by the way, and very excited about that. One other thing is people were asking what happened and if I'm going to part ways, because I posted up some stuff on my Instagram of parting out the shell that we bought and took the quarter panel off of. So we'll start off with what happened. Pretty much this is why it looks so bad from like the video and the accident, like why it dented in there, why it creased in here, why that side got pinched. Just a brief explanation. So flip the mic towards me, but think about it this way: once you lower your car, your whole car sits lower, right? So your rear support right here, aka the OEM, what I like to call the OEM bash bar, sits lower. So the car that hit us was just normal height, and it hit more towards the left. And because the car is lowered, that means that little bash bar sits lower, right? Which means like the exact amount of room where that bash bar sat, right about here, the car literally hit like an inch on top and just rammed pure like sheet metal. Cause this is pretty much all just sheet metal. If I can open this up. So look at it this way. This has no support in the back at all, as well as this. So when the car hit it, it just pretty much mushed a bunch of just sheet metal towards it. And that's what caused that to pinch. It did hit the frame, and the frame did bend, but Rubem cut out a piece and re-welded it. As well as this side, it pinched right here and right here. Most of the impact was on that side. I probably got hit going like 10 miles an hour. I was at a dead stop, probably like 10 miles an hour into the rear quarter panel. It's just because of how low I was sitting that just made pretty much all that sheet metal, or all the bodywork, just compress forward. So if we go over here, this was the rear fender work that I was talking about. If you guys see, Rubem's rear fenders are pulled out. We plan to do the same exact thing, similar to this, to the S14.